right? See, Dad, come here. I like that. Put that front end on that joint. Oh man, keeping what I have, be looking. Might as well do it sometime. You got the old Maverick. Yeah, we out here. Vette looking nasty. What's going on, y'all? The Vette looking nasty. Oh, thank the Lord I got one. Ooh. That's American top car right there. That's top dog. I'm sorry, y'all. Them Challengers, them Mustangs, all that shit nice. But man, this horsepower, the speed, the fast. Only way you say it's faster because you ain't had one. That's the only way you say it. Other than that, man, it's just a whole different. It's a whole different something else, man, with a Corvette, man.
What first car?
It was a Maverick. Yeah. That's my dad's first car, a Maverick. Not a 71 though, was it?
No, 70.
A 70, all right, 70 Maverick. So that was a sports car back then, right? It looked like it.
Yeah, kind of like it, but it wasn't nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, you got lights on.
See, I wanted to show you this. Like,